Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear students at Rital International Academy, 10th grade A and B. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Regarding the worksheet, I sent it to you, and most of you are complaining about how it's complicated. We call this methods in teaching, we call it constructivism methods. But I do believe most of you, all of you, do not believe in a modern education systems. So I will solve it. You believe in old-fashioned educations. You believe on it. I have no problem in both cases. I will try to give you the answer about the worksheet I sent it to you. First of it, we took a charge. This is positive charge, and it is nanocoulomb charge. The unit of charge is a coulomb. So, and this is how electric field go from the charge. It's go out if it is a positive charge, it's go out of it. If it is a negative charge, you could see that here. It says it's go in the charge. This is the difference between two charges, positive or a negative charge. So let us go back to our questions or our activity. Then we pick values here, and now I have to use the ruler here, and I have to use the sensors. Sensor is an equipment we use to measure physical things or chemical things. So let us try to measure, trying to put it here. I put this positive on a charge here, then it is 20, it was 20. Okay, I put the charge, I will pick the sensor. I try to measure the electric field. Put it here. Look, when it is on this point, from the charge to this point, the value of it, this is the value of electric field, volt per meter. It is the unit of electric field. It was 141 volt per meters. So now I have to go to the plot. I try to put it here. So when the distance was 20, the value was 141. So go to any graph plotter online, use it. Here we have x-axis, here we have y-axis. Here on x-axis, I told you on worksheet, we should use a distance from 10 to 60. So it is an x-axis. So I might use it from negative 60 to positive 60. I wouldn't use the negative value. I will use the positive value only. And here at y-axis, I will give it from negative 120 to a positive 120. This is how it will be. Now I choose here, I choose a table, x and y axis. I told you x-axis, it is about the distance, it's for the distance. Y-axis, it is for the electric field strength. So at first, we go back here to 20 centimeters, give us 141 volt. So when it is 20 centimeters, the value was 441. Okay. Let's try to find on 30. Almost, we don't have to be very accurate here. So at 30, it's give us, when it is at 30 centimeters away from the charge, the value of electric field 78.3. So from here, you have to think about that. It is direct relationship or indirect relationship. How much is it? 78.3. Sorry. 78.3. This is the second point. Let us make it a 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters, it is almost So when it's 40, almost 40 centimeters, give us 44.5. So 40 centimeters give us, 44.5. Okay. It is 50 centimeters, 32.2. 50 centimeters, 32.2. If it is a 60, you should start to believe what is the relationship. Is it direct or indirect? Give us 21. It is in this way. Now I could come here, zoom out. Here I could see the pattern here. First one 20 with 141, second one 30 with 78.3, 40 with 44.5, 50 with 32.2, 60 with 21. So is it direct or indirect? As long as I increase the distance, I have a less strength for electric field. So it is an indirect relationship. It is indirect relationship. We draw the line. You could draw the line from here to here to show that it is indirect relationship between both of them, but it is not the end of it. It is not the end of it. It should be you should figure out the relationship between the square of the distance and the electric field. So the graph, we draw it already on in our platter. You could make copy and paste here. It is an answer for you, and you could tell me it is a direct relationship or indirect relationship. And here you have to figure out that by yourself. What is the relation between E and the square of the distance? Try to make it by yourself. Use your calculator and try to tell me here how you could draw it by yourself. You don't have to use the internet to use it. You could draw it on your notebook and then take a picture for it and upload it here. I have no problem on it. So I'm waiting from you to continue the research and answer the rest of the questions here. After you're done from them all, you could answer the question here, explain your answer based on what you see, and then this is the end of it. This is K, what we call it a column law. Here R is the distance squared, Q1 and Q2. I will upload another video to continuing that tomorrow. I hope you will figure it out by yourself till tomorrow morning. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye.